In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a booking on Booking.com. If you need to cancel an upcoming reservation, Booking.com makes the process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find your reservation and remove it from your account by going through the bookings area. Start by going to the official Booking.com website. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're on the correct site and that everything is fully visible before moving on. If you're not already signed in, you may need to log into your account first so you can access your reservation details. It's always a good idea to double check that you're using the same account that was used to make the booking. Otherwise, the reservation may not appear. Next, look toward the top area of the page and click on your profile. This is where Booking.com keeps your account settings, travel information, and reservation history. Opening the profile menu is the key first step because it gives you access to the section where your active and past bookings are stored. After that, click on Bookings and Trips. This is the section where you can view the reservations connected to your account. Once you're in that area, locate the specific booking you want to remove, select the reservation, then look for the cancellation or booking management option. On Booking.com, this is typically labeled something like Cancel Booking or appears inside a Manage Booking section. Before confirming anything, take a moment to review the property's cancellation policy. This is important because some bookings offer free cancellation only within a certain time window, while others may charge a fee or may be non-refundable. Reading that information carefully helps you avoid surprises before you finalize the cancellation. If everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the cancellation. After you complete the process, Booking.com will usually update the reservation status and may also send a confirmation by email or display a confirmation message on screen. It's a smart idea to keep that confirmation for your records, especially if you may need proof that the booking was canceled. And that's it. To remove a booking on Booking.com, simply go to the website, open your profile, select Bookings and Trips, choose the reservation, and cancel it from there. If you don't see the option right away, check the reservation details page carefully, since the exact placement can vary slightly depending on the booking type or device you're using.